When I first heard the story, I didn't believe it. Amish farmers, renowned for their deep understanding of the land, were using a simple, natural addition to their compost piles that made everything break down in just days instead of weeks or months. As someone who has spent countless hours turning compost, watering it, and waiting, sometimes impatiently, for it to reach that rich, dark, earthy state we all dream about, I was hooked. I had to find out what their secret was. In today's post, right here on SoilSage Chronicles, I'm going to walk you through what Amish farmers add to their compost, why it works so fast, and how you can replicate their methods in your own backyard. Whether you're just starting out with composting or you've been at it for years, this simple tip can supercharge your soil health and give your garden an unbelievable boost. The Amish are not flashy farmers. They don't use high-tech machines or chemical additives. Instead, they rely on deep observation of nature, careful trial and error, and traditions passed down for generations. One of their most trusted practices is making compost, not just as a way of recycling waste, but as the foundation of their soil fertility. For them, compost isn't just a heap of scraps, it's living soil in the making, teeming with microbes and fungi that transform waste into life-giving humus. And the Amish have found ways to help that process move much, much faster. What Amish farmers often add to their compost piles is a mix of crushed corn kernels and dairy byproducts like whey or buttermilk. These simple farmyard staples act as powerful accelerators, feeding the microbial community that drives decomposition. Here's why it works so well. Crushed corn provides a fast source of carbohydrates. Just like yeast in bread dough feeds on sugar, compost microbes thrive when given an energy boost. With that food source, they multiply rapidly, heating the pile and breaking down material at lightning speed. Dairy byproducts supply proteins, minerals, and beneficial bacteria. Whey, in particular, is packed with lactic acid bacteria, tiny workhorses that speed up fermentation and decomposition. When added to a compost pile, this combination mimics nature's own accelerator, creating a surge of microbial activity that can reduce breakdown time from months to weeks or even days in the right conditions. Think of this Amish method as more of a fermentation process than a slow rot. Fermentation is controlled microbial activity, like making sauerkraut, kimchi, or sourdough bread. By adding these natural starters, Amish farmers essentially inoculate their compost with beneficial microbes that outcompete pathogens and speed up organic breakdown. Instead of waiting around for chance colonizers to show up, they're giving their compost pile a head start. The result? Rapid heating, faster humus formation, and a richer, more balanced compost. Here's the best part. You don't need to be Amish or have a huge farm to use this trick. You can easily try it in your backyard compost pile or raised bed system. Start by setting up your compost pile with the usual mix of greens like food scraps, grass clippings and fresh manure, and browns such as dry leaves, straw, or shredded cardboard. Once you have a decent heap going, sprinkle in some coarsely crushed dried corn. Not popcorn, but field corn, or even cracked corn you can buy as animal feed. A few handfuls per layer is plenty. Next, add a splash of whey, buttermilk, or even diluted plain yogurt. Don't drown your pile, just enough to moisten the surface of each layer. If you don't have dairy products on hand, even a small amount of unsweetened kefir or cultured milk will work. Turn the pile every few days and just watch what happens. You'll likely notice the temperature rising more quickly, the pile shrinking faster, and that signature earthy smell developing in record time. Compost is more than just broken down scraps. It's the very backbone of healthy soil. By speeding up the process, you're not just saving time. You're producing more frequent batches of compost to feed your garden. That means more organic matter, better water retention, and a steady supply of slow-release nutrients for your plants. And hey, remember, faster decomposition doesn't mean cutting corners. The finished compost still contains the humus, microbes, and minerals your soil needs. You're just nudging nature along with a little microbial kickstart. While this method is incredibly effective, it's also important not to overdo it. Too much corn can make your pile slimy and unbalanced, while too much dairy can attract pests if not managed properly. The key is moderation. Think of these additions as seasonings, not the main dish. A handful or two of crushed corn and a splash of whey per layer is all you need. Also, keep your pile aerated. Amish farmers know the value of turning their compost regularly to keep oxygen flowing. Without air, the pile may go anaerobic and start to smell, so don't neglect the basics: layering, moisture, and airflow. What I love most about this practice is how it embodies the Amish philosophy of working with nature rather than against it. They're not buying expensive accelerators or high-tech gadgets. They're using what's already on hand, corn and dairy, to boost the microbial life in their compost. It's a reminder that some of the best gardening practices are the simplest. Often the answers are right under our noses, passed down through traditions that value patience, observation, and respect for the land. Imagine being able to turn kitchen scraps, lawn clippings, and garden waste into dark, crumbly compost in a fraction of the time. Imagine giving your tomatoes, cucumbers, or roses a soil base so rich it feels like black velvet. That's the promise of this Amish composting trick, and it's within reach for anyone willing to give it a try. So the next time you start a compost pile, reach for a scoop of cracked corn and a splash of buttermilk. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Composting is often seen as a waiting game. But with a little inspiration from Amish farmers, we can turn it into something faster, more dynamic, and incredibly rewarding. Adding crushed corn and dairy byproducts is a simple, natural way to supercharge microbial life and create compost in days rather than months. I encourage you to try it, observe the results, and make it your own. Every garden is unique, and so is every compost pile. What matters most is staying curious, experimenting, and sharing what you learn with others. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles on YouTube for more timeless gardening wisdom. And don't forget to share this article with a fellow gardener who's ready to take their composting to the next level. Together, we can build healthier soil, stronger plants, and a deeper connection to the land.